That was great too. Another high five from Petey. Alright, can I have all my friends stay on the tight end? Nice, Robert. Around the cone. Nice. Good job. You guys did great. High five. Alright. Alright, come on, Robert. Nice.
Hey, friend. I can take this real quick.
Yeah.
There you go. Hey, my friends, you know what's really cool? That was awesome, Robert. My friend, Ronan, you know what my friend Ronan is doing?
And then when we finish, we're going to say,
Good.
and finish. Let's practice that. Stick and finish.
Very nice.
And then over.
Now you're going to walk
And
backwards.
we're going to say, stick
Good.
and finish. Beautiful. All right, Ines, are you ready?
Keep going.
Come on.
Good job.
You want to keep it easy?
Keep going. Nice. Good. What do you say? Stick and finish.
You want to pass?
All right, Claire, come on up.
Want to try it? Okay, the door open for you, huh? All right?
All right.
Nice. You're going to bring your toes up. Do you need help?
All right, Claire, your turn. One friend left.
Actually, it's easier if you put your hands like that. Like that. Do you want me to help you? All right, let's bring your toes up. On up. Nice. And over the bar. And
Good.
like that. Whoop. And what do we say?
Going backwards.
Stick and finish. Beautiful. All right, Clara.
Best friend.
Last time, Claire, you're going to have to put